Hi, this is John with WTI, and like a fragrance enthusiast, I'm always looking forward to trying new things. And when I heard about Arabic fragrances and companies like that, I was kind of curious about that. And so I was checking on some reviews, and I have decided that I would like to try. This is Alarim Amber Oud perfume. So I love this perfume. Like it gives me a lot of compliments whenever I go out. So it's sweet and it goes to a little bit to the unisex side. But when it's the dry down, it's a projection. It's when you put it on, you feel like you're smelling expensive. Like look at the bottle, man. Like it looks really good. But it's not only the looks of the bottle, it's the smell. This has some fruity vanilla, and some great notes that is always going to be a good wear when you're night out, when you're at special occasions, and you're going to get lots of compliments. Trust me, I've had it already. And everybody likes compliments, let's be honest. So, if you're in the market and you're looking for a great fragrance that is going to be really versatile when it comes to the night or cold weathers, this Alain Gold Edition Amber Oud, really good. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.